Fluum. Founded in 2022, Denmark. Clean tech.
Oh wow, I can see everyone. Hello everyone, I'm Martin. I'm the CEO and one of the two co-founders of Loom. What we do at Loom is that we try to fix the residential heating problem. So we need to stop burning stuff. In Danish, the Danish version of that says we need to stop burning shit, but we're in Sweden here, so we need to be nice. To make it very, very simple, in Europe, 8 out of 10 single-family homes have something that burns shit in the basement. I know in Sweden it's very different, you guys are ahead, but that's the reality in the rest of Europe. We have a competitive solution that is existing, and that in most cases in many, many countries, and more countries, getting more affordable, which is a heat pump. Every time you switch an oil boiler to a heat pump, you save 4 tons of CO2 per year. Every time you switch a gas boiler to a heat pump, you save 2 tons of CO2 per year. So we need to do that as fast as we possibly can. The issue that we face, for now, we need more consumers to want that, but very, very soon we're going to need a lot more installers to want that. So that's what we're fixing. We build the software to make tradespeople, so plumbers, electricians, HVAC specialists, to do a lot more heat pumps. So our goal, very short, is to, instead of do 1 retrofit per week, as they normally do, they need to make 2. We are here thanks to Norrsken VC and a lot of other backers, so thank you for that. Thank you all for being here and supporting us in this. And we are very close to launching the first beta of our new product to installers next week, so very excited about that. Thank you again so much for being here.